Welcome! If you want to customize volume styles panel into your Realme 5i, first step, go into Play Store and find volume styles application. I'll show you. Volume styles. This one. Need installing. Wait a second for install. And then click open. And now you need to choose your volume styles. So maybe this one, iOS, so click it. And we got on the top start button, so press it. And now we need to give permissions for this application. So turn on here and one more time in settings. Choose your volume styles application, click to turn on, confirm clicking OK. And now we got a new, so click yes I agree. And now we got a new volume styles panel like iOS into our Realme 5i. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.